Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm making our homemade fruit jam, and in a bowl we'll put in our grapes, as you can see, our red grapes, and we mix it with apples, and then oranges, as you can see, and then pineapples, and carrots. And we are going to blend this mix all together and to make our fruit jam. So after blending, transfer our fruit jam to our container, the blended fruit jam, as you can see. Yeah, so we put our jam to and we boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, so as it boils, keep stirring it. Now we boil our fruit jam for 10 to 15 minutes. So as our fruit jam is almost ready, we pour in our lemon juice as a preservative, as you can see, and stir it in. Yeah, and then our fruit jam is ready. We are going to let it cool and then transfer it to a jar. Yeah, storage jar. Thanks for watching. So as our jam is ready and cool, we are going to transfer it to our airtight container for storage. As you can see, this is our ready jam. Put it in here. Ready fruit jam. Yeah, so this is our ready fruit jam transferred to a jar. Yeah, our ready fruit jam. Please like and subscribe to the channel, like my videos for more recipes like this, share the videos. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the subscribe button below to my channel.